Hello. When you pick up the phone, the dial tone is instant, you dial, and almost instantaneously you're connected. Wouldn't it be good if global networking worked like that? That's the vision of the third network as proposed by the telecommunications industry body, the MEF. For the MEF, the third network vision will be implemented using the capabilities conferred by Lifecycle Service Orchestration, or LSO, and based on the principles of networking as a service. So, how can we get to the third network, and what is the MEF doing about it? Who better to answer those questions than MEF President Chen and Bob Metcalfe, who is both the inventor of Ethernet and a professor of innovation. First, what is the third network and what are the benefits?
So what MEF calls the third network is sort of the best of both worlds. It's the internet plus carrier Ethernet combined. The internet is ubiquitous and it's agile, whereas the carrier Ethernet is assured and it's secure. And the third network is the combination of the two.
The third network, as we call it, is a new type of network service, which is agile, assured, and orchestrated. And the reason we call it third network is because there are already two modern data networks. One is the internet, which is has ubiquity and then also agility. And carrier Ethernet network, which is the second network, which have the performance assurance, but lack of agility. So what we believe there's a need for a combination of both worlds. So in other words, have internet-like agility and ubiquity with the carrier Ethernet-like performance and security guarantees.
And what are the challenges on that journey?
There are two challenges. One of them is a mindset, I think, from a lot of service providers, and where the new services always take a little bit of time to get it done. And second challenge is really the standardization work which MEF is taking on, because this could potentially have the ability to change the world because the large install base of old OSS, BSSs, which potentially be not adequate for the new third network vision.
So where are we on the journey towards full implementation?
Very good question. I think there is enough momentum we have seen. There's the early adopters, like any new technology and services, and we already see some early adoptions. For example, Tata has made an announcement, and then some others we know in the work. They're really trying to deliver this agile services which people are asking for on demand.
The MEF has been very successful in moving service providers towards adoption of carrier Ethernet. So what is the MEF doing to make the third network happen?
They're working on a multiple front. I think the very first thing is we want to define the information and reference model for the new services, number one. Number two is define the functions of what we call a lifecycle service orchestration. That actually is heart and soul of how to make the third network services work. And once we've done the function definitions, we want to define the APIs of each of the functions. That's where the automated on-demand services can be done within a service provider as well as among the service providers. We wanted that third network services across the globe through multiple service providers.
And what's going to be the end result of the third network?
Well, being able to have a agile, assured, orchestrated network wherever you go will enable whole new applications that are currently not possible because they would rely on some aspect of agility or assuredness or security. So it's a general opening up of new applications, but even the older applications will work better. Like telepresence from your office should be able to follow you around wherever you go in the world.
Nan and Bob, thank you very much.